Good morning, everyone present here, respected principal, teachers, parents, and the guests of this function. I'm Economism Lanchanbi Janu of class 7B of Campus 1. Today, I'm going to tell about one of the greatest scientists of the world. The name of this great scientist is Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel was born on July 20, 1822 at Austrian Silesia. He introduced the statistical analysis and mathematical logic in biology. He conducted experiments on pea plants for 7 to 8 years and introduced the dominant and recessive traits of pea plant while conducting the hybridization method. Mendel died on January 6, 1884 at Brno. Because of him, we are able to understand an important part of science. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Lanchanbi. Now, I would like to call Jessica Langoism of Campus 1.
A very good morning to one and all present here, respected principal, teachers, and dear parents. I'm Jessica, representing class 7B from Campus 1. I belong to the Mountaineer House. Among the famous scientists, today I'm going to talk about the great scientist Aryabhata, who invented the letter zero. Aryabhata was born on 476 AD in Patliputra in Magadha in Bihar, and his exact birthplace remains unknown and is often debated. He was the first to find that the sidereal years is 365 days with 6 hours, 12 minutes and 30 seconds working model. He was the one who discovered the mathematics that nowadays children are taught in school. He was the first mathematician, physicist, and astronomer to create the groundbreaking theories and invention. Today's scientific community will be forever thankful for the Aryabhata's invention, which helped in the progress of science. Thank you all and have a great day.
Thank you, Jessica. Now, I would like to call Kevina Sorokaivam of Campus 1.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kevina Sorokaivam of Class 7B of Campus 1, representing Olympian House. Today, I would like to share the biography of one of the famous scientists. His name is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in Germany. He is known throughout the world as one of the greatest scientists at the age of 12. He learned complex mathematics on his own. In 1919, his mass energy equivalence E equal to mc squared revolutionized the entire world. Some of his important discoveries are theory of relativity, photoelectric effect, and gravitational wave, etc. He received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his service to theoretical physics. His work is also known for his influence on the philosophy of science. He died on 18 April 1955 with his all great discoveries and inventions. We are remembering him as one of the greatest scientists in the world. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Kevinas. Now, I would like to call Chanchan Bala L of Campus 2.
A very good afternoon to my respected sir, madam, miss, parents, and my dear friends. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. I myself, Chanchan Bala of Standard 7 Mountaineer House, and today I am here to present about the famous scientist Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton, who is among the most important scientists in the world. He is credited with developing the theory of gravity, the laws of motion, new branch of mathematics called calculus, and the reflecting telescope. He was born in the Woolsthorpe, England on January 1643 and died on 1727. During 1665 to 1667, he developed his theories of calculus, gravity, and the laws of motion. In 1687, Newton published his most important work called Mathematics Principles of Natural Philosophy, where he described the laws of motion as well as the laws of universal gravity. One day, while he was sitting under an apple tree, he saw an apple falling down from the tree. By observing that, he realized that the orbit of the moon around the earth could be the result of this gravitational force. His gravitational law states that any two objects in the universal have a universal gravity of attraction on each other. Thank you all.
Thank you, Chanchan Bala. Now, we would like to call Sonakshi Saw of Class 7, Campus 2.
A very good afternoon to all. I myself, Sonakshi Saw from Standard 7, and I belong to Astronaut House. We'll be presenting in front of all about the famous scientist APJ Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam who is popularly known as APJ Abdul Kalam, was an Indian aerospace scientist and statesman who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Rameshwaram, which is in Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering. He spent his next decades in scientist and science administrator, mainly in the Defense Research and Development Organization. He also He spent his next decades in scientist and science administrator. He was mainly involved in the India civilian space program and military missile development efforts. He also played a pivotal organizational, technical and political role in India's Pokhran nuclear test in 1998, the first since the original nuclear test by India in 1974. Today, India has reached to the space through Chandrayaan-3 mission. A lot of credit should be given to APJ Abdul Kalam, as well as he was one of the scientists who worked extremely hard to launch India's rocket to the space for the first time for his contribution towards science and space. He is also known as the Missile Man of India. With this, I would like to end my speech. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonakshi. Now we have Nongthombam Kirtina of Campus 2.
A very good afternoon to one and all. I am Kritina of Standard 7. Today I want to say about famous scientist Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was an American scientist. He developed many devices in fields such as electric power generation, mass communication, motion picture, and sound recording. He created the incandescent lamp and a phonograph. He was born in Malian, Ohio, 1847. After many struggles, he invented a phonograph, and it remains his most impressive invention. He invented an electric bulb, and he built the Menlo Park Laboratory. Edison is regarded as the most prolific in American history. He married twice as the father of 6 children, and he died in 1931 due to complications from diabetes. Thank you. All have a wonderful day.
Lastly, we shall have quiz inter-house competition of class 6 and 8 from campus 1. We have Lamjingba Waina, Karan Kumar, Mangsa Tabam Lamjingba, Suraj Ango, Manishana Tushita. From campus 2, we have Ngambam Jibesori Tanya, Thangjam Singkhanganbi, Lyra Lakpim, Paramjit, Laishram Jilina Priya, Muhammad Sharifuddin.
So wishing all a cheerful afternoon. I am Mansi Gupta, the host of today's quiz competition. Here we have 3 groups, that is astronaut, mountaineers and Olympians. Sir Dinesh will be the scorer and Miss Kavita will be the time watcher. Here are the norms and conditions of the competition. Please listen carefully, dear contestants. There will be 3 rounds. First round will be, I am going to ask 3 questions to each houses. If you answer the correct one, you will get 10 points. If you are not able to answer, then we will pass the question to the audience. Each question carries 10 points. Second round will be a buzzer round. And the third round will be a rapid fire with the time limit of 5 seconds. First and second round, you will get 10 seconds to answer. If a team member is answering the question, suppose in 3 or 4 seconds, and the other contestant of the same team feel to change the answer, they can destroy the answer, and within the same 10 seconds, they can answer the correct one. 3 bells are kept in front of you. For second and third round, you will be using the bells. The team who ring the bell first will get the chance to answer the question first. If the team, after ringing the bell, not able to answer the question, they can pass the question to the other team, and if the other team answer the question correctly, they will get half of the full points as bonus. And the last and very important point is, if a team rings the bell and answer is incorrect, 3 points from the total will be deducted. So be very careful while ringing the bell or answering any incorrect question. So now, the most important part, today's topic for the quiz is Chandrayaan 3. India's third lunar mission achieved a historic milestone by successfully landing on the moon's far side after a month-long journey through space. So, we, the citizens of India, are very much thankful to our phosphorus scientists for their hard work and gratitude towards our nation that has shown magnificent, spectacular towards other nation. So, we are very thankful from the core of our heart. Let's give a big hand to our Indian scientists who took part in the mission of Chandrayaan 3. Now, I'll begin with round 1. I'll be asking the question first to the Mountaineer House contestants. The first question of the Mountaineer House is, when did the Vikram lander get separated from the propulsion module in Chandrayaan 3?
Hello? 17 August.
That is the correct answer. Please give 10 points to Mountaineer House. The second question. The second question for Mountaineer House is, who is the chairman of ISRO?
Is Somnath.
It's the correct answer. Please give 10 points to Mountaineer's House. The third question for the Mountaineer House is, when was the mission Chandrayaan 3 launched?
July 14, 2023.
Correct answer. So, next 3 questions will be asked to the astronaut house contestant. The first question to you is, when was Chandrayaan 3 initially planned to launch? When was Chandrayaan 3 initially planned to launch? You have 10 seconds only.
Time's up.
Time's up. Sorry, astronaut house. Anyone from the audience can answer. When was Chandrayaan 3 initially planned to launch? Anyone from the audience or from the teachers? Anyone from the audience and the teachers who want to answer this question? When was Chandrayaan 3 initially planned to launch? Okay, no problem. The correct answer is 2020. The correct answer is 2020. Next question to the astronaut house team is, How far is Chandrayaan from Earth? How far is Chandrayaan from Earth? You have 10 seconds.
Time, sir.
Time is up, sorry. So can I hear any answer from the audience? How far is Chandrayaan from Earth? Anyone from the teachers, audience? Okay, so the correct answer is 2.5 lakh kilometer. The last question to the astronaut house. What is the name of the rover? What is the name of the rover?
Pragyan.
Yeah, that is the correct answer. Please give them 10 points. Next question will be asked to Olympian House team. Be ready. The first question is, what is the name of the lander module of Chandrayaan 3?
Bikram lander.
Very good. That is the correct answer. Second question to Olympian House team is, what is the total weight of Chandrayaan 3?
3,900 kilograms.
Very good. That is the correct answer. Please give 10 marks to Olympian House team. The third question to you is, who is the project manager, director of Chandrayaan 3 mission?
P. Muthubel.
Very good. 10 points to Olympian House. End of round 1. I request Sir Dinesh to read out the points.
Hello. After the completions of first rounds, the score obtained by Mountaineer is total is 30, and for the Olympian is also total is 30, and for the astronaut is 10. So we are going to begin the second round.
I'm going to begin the second round. Second round will be a buzzer round, as I have told before. The one who will press the buzzer first will get the chance to answer the question first. And if it is incorrect, negative marking is there, so be careful while pressing the bell. The question is, what name is given to the Chandrayaan 3 landing sport? Olympian House.
Shiv Shakti.
Very good. That is the correct answer. Please give them 10 points. The second question is, what is the total weight of Pragyan rover?
26 kilogram.
That is the correct answer. Astronaut House. How did Chandrayaan 2 welcome Chandrayaan 3?
Welcome, buddy.
Welcome, buddy. That is the correct answer. 10 points to Olympian House. The fourth question is, when did Pragyan rover come out from the belly of Vikram lander? Yes, Mountaineer?
After 3.5 hours.
That's the correct answer. Please give 10 points to Mountaineer House. The last question for the buzzer round. Are you ready? Yes. The mission life of the lander and rover equal to?
14 hour days equal 14 hour days.
Who was the one to press the buzzer first, Sir Dinesh? Olympian House. Okay. Give them 10 points. I request Sir Dinesh to read out the point.
So after the second round, the Mountaineer score for the second round 10, and for Olympians 30, and for the astronaut 10. For the total first second round, Mountaineer score 40, and for Olympian score 60, and for astronaut it's 20. Now we will begin the third round.
Now, I'm going to begin the third and important round, which is the rapid fire. Only 5 seconds you will be getting. You are going to use the buzzer even. Who designed the camera of Chandrayaan 3? Okay, time's up. Who designed the camera of Chandrayaan 3? Anyone from the audience? From the teachers? Okay, no one? So the answer is Anuj Nandi. The second question for the rapid fire is, which fuel is used in powering the second stage of Chandrayaan 3? Olympian House.
Liquid oxygen and hydrogen.
That's the wrong answer. Sorry, 3 points will be cut from Olympian House. Then which team you want to pass the question?
Astronaut.
Astronaut House. You can answer which fuel is used in powering the second stage of Chandrayaan 3. We'll pass the question to Mountaineers House. Which fuel is used in powering the second stage of Chandrayaan 3?
Liquid oxygen and hydrogen.
That's the wrong answer. The answer is solid fuel. Next question. August 23 will be celebrated as Olympian House.
National Space Day.
Very good. 10 points will be awarded to Olympian House. Next question will be, how many scientists from Manipur took part in the Chandrayaan 3 mission? Mountaineer House.
Only one.
That's the correct answer. Please award 10 points to Mountaineers House. Then the last question for the rapid fire, be careful, is how many wheels are present in Pragyan rover?
6 wheels.
That was Olympian House. Please award 10 marks for Olympian House. Now the result for this quiz competition will be announced by our Sir Dinesh.
So after the completion of first, second and third round, the total score by the Mountaineer is 50. And for the Olympians is 77. And for the astronaut is 20. So for this quiz competitions, the winner goes to Olympians with a score of 77. And the second goes to Mountaineer with a score of 50. And the third goes to astronaut with a score of 20. Thank you.
That is the end of today's quiz competition. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.